Welcome guys to another video, and I wanted to talk about something very interesting that actually it's a question that has come out in my video. So how do you withdraw from Coindeal? Okay, we're going to talk about Coindeal. This is a tutorial for Coindeal in case you're interested in actually following the strategy that I have to trade cryptocurrency, to learn more about cryptocurrency, and as well just to follow the pro system which has cryptocurrency in the mix of it. Links are in the description. Hit the subscribe button and the bell notification for future videos if you do like the video that you see right now and enjoy it. Okay, so let's go ahead and begin. I had a comment on my YouTube channel that came for a video, a Coindeal, a withdrawal basically that I was doing, and they said I'm talking too much. Hopefully, I haven't. This is the first time I've got feedback about talking too much, so I apologize if I do. But I also give an in-depth view of everything, so hopefully you appreciate that. How to withdraw BTC or FTO, which is Futuro Coin, guys, from Coindeal to your MasterCard or Visa card. That's what I want to know. So I'm going to show you guys today how you can do that with Coindeal. Okay. Firstly, Coindeal. What is Coindeal? Coindeal is a cryptocurrency exchange. It's where you can trade cryptocurrency and actually on the markets and various kinds of cryptocurrency. So whether you have Futuro Coin, if you want to know more about Futuro Coin, it's also in the pro system. So link is in the description. You got that right. So let's go ahead and actually show you how to do it. So one of the first things is that you can use this as a wallet from FutureNet, FutureAd Pro, whatever you're doing online, maybe to withdraw it to Coindeal. You can use deposit, get your wallet number, and then they send you the funds. And I'm going to go to wallet because I recently, as you can see, I have about 112 US dollars in my wallet right now. But I'm going to go to wallet details because I want to show you exactly that I've been, for example. Okay, let's give a little bit of a history on my account. Okay, so I had this much in my account, and then I took it out, and then I had another deposit, as you can see. Then it was removed, then another deposit, payout here, another deposit and payout here. So I have been taking out money from Coindeal quite a bit and depositing it in Coindeal. Then I had another deposit here, another deposit here, another deposit here, another deposit here, and then I took out a whole thing for the month. It's around 200 US dollars to cut for the month. And then again, the same thing right here. And now it's accumulating once again for October. Okay. So about $200, $200 to $250 every single month I'm taking out from Coindeal. The question was, how do you get it into cryptocurrency, right? So there are two options. One, you can withdraw the funds, and I'm going to show you how you can do it with Coindeal right here. You withdraw, you send it to the wallet address, and that's it. You pay a fee. That's a normal fee. It's a bit higher fee than other places, but each exchange has a right to have actually their own fee. And as you can see, I have been withdrawing very clearly, and it has been finalized quite quickly. Okay. For example, if I put euro, I don't know whether it can withdraw euro, amount in euro, first name, last name, IBAN code. You can even take out the monies, for example, which I don't have anything in euro. So I would need to. How would you do it in euro? Okay, if you wanted to do it directly to your bank account, for example. Okay, you would need to exchange. So you need to go to choose market, and you need to go to BTC USD market or BTC Euro market, depending on what it is. Maybe euro would be better. So you look for, let's just type this, okay? BTC / Euro market. You take whatever BTC you have. I'm going to show you very specifically, okay? So you take whatever BTC you have, okay? And you put that much. You put the BTC amount, sorry. You put the euro amount, you put the BTC amount. Let's put the BTC amount, okay? So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to put that there. And as you can see, it should come to the amount that you need, okay? And then you sell, okay? You put any price, or whatever price, stop loss price, last price, whatever last price you can put, and this is how much you'll get. This is how much you will actually get on the exchange because the price has dropped. So you convert the BTC into euro, and then from the euro you withdraw it into your bank account as I showed you right down here. Okay, so if you're watching this video, this is for the guy who actually asked the question and you want to know a little bit more, this is how you can do it. You need to convert it into the US wallet, and then once you have it in the US wallet, then you can easily withdraw the funds to a euro account, as you can see, or a USD account. But you need to have a USD account or a Polish account. As you can see, that gets done through ePay. Polish account is not available soon. So I would suggest Euro seems the best. IBAN, Swift, you write description, they send you the money directly to your bank account. So that's one way. Okay, that's one way. The second way that you can do it, which is what I prefer, I check firstly what I want. First, if I'm using cryptocurrency, then I don't take it out and I just directly send it to wherever I need to send it. Otherwise, I send it to this application right here, which is an amazing thing because it's a card that I have, which I can use. And this card I can use in any kind of store, I can go to an ATM to withdraw the money that I want in my local currency, whatever it is. So I send the money here. I convert that money from the cryptocurrency that I've sent to euro or to USD or pounds, whichever it is, and I can then now use it on my card, which is the actual physical card that I have. I can use it anywhere. In fact, let me just show you how the card looks. I can use this card anywhere. So I take this card now and then I transact it. I can withdraw it from the ATM. I can do whatever I want with this card. So I just now showed you two methods which you can withdraw into fiat currency from CoinDeals. But remember, this is a CoinDeal tutorial, so there are two methods for CoinDeal to be withdrawn this way. Otherwise, I do have another tutorial out on just WireX and Y and the three different methods that you can actually have cryptocurrency be exchanged and used and stuff like that. But I'm not going to get into detail with that. Just looking at CoinDeal, the simplest way I would say is to deposit into another wallet and then convert it. But if you want to do it in euro, go ahead and do it. It's just that I feel like CoinDeal has a little bit of a higher fee rate on the trades and other stuff. So that's why I prefer just taking it out and using it as an intermediate because of FutureNet FutureApp Pro, which allows me, and then I just directly go ahead and utilize the Bitcoin as I wish. Okay, so what's the guy's name? Let's check. Sorry, just give me a second, guys. Yeah, so what's the guy's name? I think it's Ayupun, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. Hopefully this answers your question, and you can see you do have to be either in Europe or in just basically everywhere in the world except for US to use CoinDeal. Okay, so those are the things that are important. Like I said, if you do wish to follow me and actually subscribe to this channel to get more educational videos and work with me, if you do wish to work with me, the links are in the description of this video. Feel free to join. If not, I hope really this video has given you what you were looking for, and I hope to see you on the next one.